Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to undo or redo an action in Google Docs, meaning if you delete text or if you just added text, if you want to go back and forth. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to do that. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So the easiest and the most visual way to demonstrate this would be to go up to the toolbar up here at the top. You see there's a back arrow as well as a forward-facing arrow. On the left side is the undo button, and it's also the Control-Z shortcut key on your keyboard. If you want to redo, it's Control and then the Y key combination on your keyboard. So you saw I just deleted a paragraph in the beginning of this video. If I tap the Control-Z key on my keyboard, you notice it will reappear, and it also works the same if you click on the button up here instead. If you want to redo that action, you can select the Control-Y key combination or select this button up here at the top, and then it will re-delete that text. So pretty straightforward process, guys. I do hope I was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.